Hi, welcome to Six Senses Yao Noi Beyond Phuket. My name is Arjan Kim White and I live in Phuket, Thailand. I've been a yoga practitioner for over 20 years. It's my pleasure to spend this valuable time with you to guide you through some simple yoga asana and relaxation techniques in the hope of making your flight more comfortable and relaxing. Please note that flying can be dehydrating, so it's important to drink plenty of water while flying. This will help to rehydrate the skin and the body and also gently guide the digestive system. While practicing these exercises, it's important to keep a steady inhalation and exhalation cycle through the nostrils. This helps to calm the mind and also assists in the relaxation and release of the muscles in the body. First, we will work on head and neck rotations. This exercise relieves facial, neck and shoulder tension and stimulates blood flow to the brain. Sitting comfortably in your chair, feet flat on the floor with your shoulders square to the front. Inhale. Exhale and take your chin to the right shoulder, shifting your eyes to the very far right corner of the eye sockets. Inhale and bring your chin back to center. Exhale and take your chin to the left shoulder, shifting your eyes to the very far left corner of the eye sockets. Inhale, bring your chin back to center. Exhale, take your right ear to the right shoulder and relax your left shoulder downward to feel a stretch on the left side of the neck. Inhale, chin back to center. Exhale, left ear to the left shoulder, relaxing the right shoulder downward to feel a stretch on the right side of the neck. Inhale, bring the chin back to center. Tongue on the roof of the mouth, teeth closed. Inhale and rise the chin upward. Exhale, relax the chest and the shoulder downward. Inhale, chin back to center. Exhale, drop the chin to the chest to feel a stretch in the back of the neck. Inhale, bring the chin back to center. Our next posture, shoulder shrugs, relieves shoulder and upper back tension, and the breathing technique used calms the nerves. Feet flat on the floor with your shoulders square to the front. Inhale and lift the shoulders up towards the ears, expanding the chest on inhalation. Exhale, breathe out through the mouth and relax the shoulders downward. We have 4 more rotations. Inhale. Exhale. Expand the chest on inhalation. Exhale. Last inhalation. Exhale. Let's move on to arm lift lateral stretch, which stimulates the lungs, relieves stiffness in the arms, and tones the sides of the body. Feet flat on the floor with your shoulders square to the front. Lift the right elbow upwards, placing the palm in the middle of the shoulder blades. Breathe in and extend through the midsection. Breath out. Lean towards the left side to feel a stretch on the right side of the body. Inhale, elongate, come back to center. Release the right arm and lift the left elbow upward, placing the left hand in the middle of the shoulder blades. Inhale and elongate through the midsection. Exhale and lean towards the right side to feel a stretch on the left side of the body. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, relax the left palm. Now we will work on eagle arm twist, which increases flexibility and circulation to the shoulder joint and improves digestion. Feet flat on the floor with your shoulders square to the front. Cross your right arm over the left arm so the right elbow is snug in the crook of the left elbow. Lift the forearms and place the back of the hands together. Bring your right thumb past the left little finger and press the palms together. Inhale and rise the elbows and the fingers upward. Exhale, release the elbows and the palms, and we'll do the left side. Left elbow over the right elbow, snug in the crook of the right elbow. Lift the forearms upwards, back of the hands towards each other. Bring the left thumb past the right little finger, pressing the palms together. Inhale and lift the elbows and fingers upward. Exhale, release the elbows and the palms, bringing the palms back to the thighs. Our next posture, cat-cow seated, relieves the tension from middle and lower back and stimulates better breath capacity. With your feet flat on the floor and shoulders square to the front, bring yourself to the edge of your chair. Knees are shoulder width apart with the ankles just below the knees, hands at the edge of the knees. Inhale and roll the shoulder blades backward, tilting the pelvis backwards and lifting the chin. Exhale, bring the shoulder blades forward, drop the chin to the chest, tuck the pelvis forward, arch the back. We have 3 more rotations. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale back to center. Let's follow with sit and twist. This exercise relieves swelling in the legs and feet and stiffness in the hips. With your feet flat on the floor, shoulders square to the front. Hug your right knee towards the chest with the left arm. Inhale and elongate. Take the right hand to the armrest or the chair behind you. Exhale and look over the right shoulder. Inhale and come back to center. Hold on to the right foot and inhale, pull the right foot to the shin. Exhale, release. Lift the left knee to the chest, hugging the left knee with the right arm. Inhale and elongate, left hand to the armrest or the chair behind you. Exhale, look over the shoulder. Inhale and back to center. Hold on to the left foot and inhale, pull the foot towards the shin. Exhale and release. We'll finish now with a meditation. Sitting upright in your chair with your back pressed against the back of the chair, place your palms upward, resting comfortably on your thighs. Close your eyes and place the tongue on the roof of your mouth. Focus your attention on the breath and the sensation of the breath through the nostrils. Inhale and visualize a warm golden light entering the body and creating a soft, calming sensation. Allow yourself to become more calm and more relaxed with each inhalation. Visualize any fear, nervousness, stress, or tension in the body as the color of dark brown. exhale and allow the dark brown mist to leave the body, cleansing you of negativity. Every breath you accumulate a calm, relaxing sensation, release stress, tension and fear, bringing the body and mind to peace.